Indoor wood furniture pieces have long been celebrated in home decor for their timeless appeal, versatility, and functional benefits. In modern home interiors, the use of wood adds a unique warmth and character that can transform a space, contributing to both aesthetic pleasure and practical functionality. The benefits of incorporating indoor wood furniture into contemporary design are vast, encompassing aspects such as sustainability, emotional resonance, adaptability, and overall well-being. One of the most compelling advantages of indoor wood furniture is its inherent warmth and natural beauty. Wood possesses unique grains, textures, and colors that can significantly enhance the atmosphere of a room. Unlike cold, synthetic materials, wood naturally evokes feelings of comfort and familiarity, creating inviting environments where individuals feel at ease. This warmth can be particularly beneficial in modern home decor, where minimalist and industrial styles are prevalent. The introduction of wood elements softens the starkness of these designs, adding depth and richness that might otherwise be lacking. The tactile quality of wood invites touch, making spaces feel more inviting and nurturing. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of indoor wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its aesthetic qualities, wood furniture contributes to a sense of authenticity in home decor. In an age where mass-produced items dominate the market, handcrafted wood pieces stand out for their uniqueness and individuality. Each piece of wood carries its own story, shaped by the natural world and the craftsmanship that created it. This authenticity resonates with consumers who seek to surround themselves with items that reflect their values and personalities. By incorporating indoor wood furniture, homeowners can create spaces that feel genuine and personal, fostering an emotional connection to their environment. Sustainability is another crucial benefit of using wood furniture in modern home decor. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many consumers are seeking sustainable materials that minimize their ecological footprint. Wood, when sourced responsibly, is a renewable resource that can contribute to eco-friendly design. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that trees are harvested in ways that preserve ecosystems and promote regeneration. By choosing indoor wood furniture made from sustainably sourced materials, homeowners can make conscious choices that align with their values, contributing to a healthier planet while enjoying the beauty of natural materials. The versatility of wood furniture is another significant advantage. Wood can be shaped, stained, and finished in various ways, allowing for a wide range of styles and designs. This adaptability makes it easy to incorporate wood pieces into different decor themes, from rustic and traditional to contemporary and minimalist. Homeowners can select finishes that complement their existing color palettes or create striking contrasts, enhancing the overall design of their spaces. This versatility ensures that wood furniture can seamlessly integrate into any setting, making it a timeless choice for modern interiors. The functional benefits of indoor wood furniture extend beyond aesthetics. Wood is known for its durability and strength, making it an ideal material for furniture that is meant to withstand daily use. High-quality wood pieces can last for generations, making them a worthwhile investment for homeowners. This longevity not only reduces the need for frequent replacements, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle by minimizing waste. By investing in durable wood furniture, individuals can create lasting foundations for their living spaces, enhancing both practicality and style. Furthermore, wood furniture can contribute to improved indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials that may emit volatile organic compounds, VOCs, natural wood is less likely to release harmful chemicals into the air. This quality is particularly important in modern homes, where indoor air quality is often compromised by the use of synthetic furnishings and finishes. The natural properties of wood can help create a healthier living environment, promoting well-being and comfort. By choosing indoor wood furniture, homeowners can enhance their living spaces not only in terms of aesthetics, but also in terms of health and safety. The emotional connection that wood furniture fosters is another significant benefit. Many people have strong associations with wood, whether from childhood memories of family gatherings around a dining table or the comforting embrace of a wooden chair. These emotional ties can create a sense of belonging and stability within a home. The presence of wood furniture can evoke feelings of nostalgia and comfort, making spaces feel more personal and meaningful. This emotional resonance enhances the overall experience of home, creating an environment where individuals can find solace and connection. Moreover, indoor wood furniture can facilitate the creation of multifunctional spaces. As modern living environments become more compact, the need for adaptable furniture grows. Wood pieces can be designed to serve multiple purposes, such as storage solutions or extendable dining tables. This functionality is particularly valuable in urban settings, where space is often limited. By selecting wood furniture that offers versatility, homeowners can maximize their living areas while maintaining a stylish aesthetic. This adaptability aligns with contemporary lifestyles, where flexibility and efficiency are paramount. The ability to customize wood furniture further enhances its appeal in modern home decor. Many artisans and manufacturers offer bespoke options, allowing homeowners to select sizes, finishes, and designs that cater to their specific needs and tastes. This level of personalization ensures that each piece resonates with the homeowner's style and enhances the overall decor. The opportunity to create unique, one-of-a-kind items fosters a deeper connection between the homeowner and their furniture, transforming everyday items into cherished possessions. In addition to its practical benefits, wood furniture also plays a significant role in promoting social interactions and connections. The design and arrangement of indoor wood furniture can encourage gatherings and conversations, fostering a sense of community within the home. For instance, a large wooden dining table invites family members and friends to come together for meals, celebrations, and shared experiences. The presence of wood furniture often enhances the ambience of social spaces, creating inviting environments where relationships can flourish. This social dimension underscores the importance of thoughtful design in cultivating connections among individuals. The trend toward biophilic design, which emphasizes the connection between humans and nature, has further elevated the role of wood furniture in modern interiors. As urbanization increases and people spend more time indoors, the desire to incorporate natural elements into living spaces has gained traction. Wood, as a natural material, embodies this connection and can help create environments that promote well-being. The use of indoor wood furniture allows homeowners to bring the warmth and beauty of nature indoors, fostering a sense of tranquility and balance. This emphasis on biophilia aligns with contemporary design philosophies that prioritize wellness and harmony in living spaces. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked indoor wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.